The goal of Catholic education is to allow the students to understand that we are more than our bodies, that we are body, mind, and spirit through prayer, through Bible study, through reflections, through meditations, through restorative circles. We pray as a community every morning.
Being part of a Catholic school, there's always space for prayer, which I enjoy. I love the fact that every single teacher is willing to try to help you, even if it's not about your education. The Eco Team is a community of people who help out and make activities outside of school for the environment. We have been seeing a lot of fast fashion lately, and a lot of it has ended up in dumps in the ocean. So to reduce that, we decided that we can just exchange our clothing. The clothing swap was a complete success. We had over 200 pieces of clothing donated. It's such an amazing experience to know that I help improve the environment, even if it's just by a small step.
We're just wrapping up our Celebrating Us Through Reading initiative. We're ending with the book Making Something Beautiful, which is a story about beautifying a neighborhood. So we decided to make a mural. Every classroom was assigned a certain color, and the students were tasked with coloring the entire index card using the various shades of that color in a way that represented themselves.
We had a small piece of paper and drew stuff with different shades of blue.
And we will assemble those index cards into the mural and have it mounted and presented here in our foyer.
And when I think about Catholic education, the passage that comes to mind is Matthew 25, which is, when I was hungry, you gave me to eat. When I was thirsty, you gave me to drink. When I was a stranger, you welcomed me. When I was sick, you visited me and took care of me. And Jesus goes on to say, whatever you do to the least of my brethren, you did it to me.
I was very excited because it was very cool to see everyone working and helping make the pancakes.
They prepared a breakfast for free and they just served it to us, so I'm really thankful for that.
The kids always seem happy when they're eating pancakes. They just seems to make their life when that happens. It's great that the Knights and the Lions can work together to make this work.
We enjoy being out in the community, meeting the teachers and the students, and participating in events like this. And we need more of that in the community.
Whether it's the Knights of Columbus or whether it's the Lions, it's nice to have that community, that effort.
Last year, we started our Celebrating Our School Family initiative, where we started working on building representation within our school as our school community has diversified. And we felt that it was really important to emphasize that all are welcome here in our school.
Catholic school system is all about, we're all inclusive, we welcome everybody, because we're all together on this earth.
So we have been learning about various different cultural celebrations. We have been including some of our students who maybe speak different languages, so our students are seeing themselves here at the school in small and big ways.
Speak Up is St. Paul's way of spreading how people can be inclusive. We do Speak Up games, which are about team building. It makes the school a better place, because when everybody's included, no one feels excluded. We're all like a family.
Not only is it about educating them, but it's also about building them up so that when they leave here, they're able to participate in the world and be that light of Christ everywhere they go.